If you're a man over 50 and you've been doing workouts for years, or maybe you stopped because nothing seemed to work anymore, I need you to listen very carefully right now, because what I'm about to share is the reason why 99% of men your age feel weaker, stiffer, and more tired every single year, even though they're still trying to stay active. And the crazy part is, it's not because you're lazy, it's not because your genetics are bad, and it's definitely not because aging has doomed your body. It's because almost every man over 50 completely skips one powerful type of training that your body actually needs now more than ever. I'm talking about isometric holds. And today, I'm going to show you the 3 most important ones that almost no man over 50 is doing, and why skipping them is quietly stealing your strength, your balance, and your confidence. Now let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever noticed that you might still be able to lift something heavy once, but holding something feels harder than it should? Or maybe standing up from a chair feels shaky. Maybe your knees don't trust you on stairs anymore. Maybe your grip gives out faster. And you probably told yourself, well, that's just part of getting older. But what if I told you that your muscles aren't actually forgetting how to move, they're forgetting how to stay strong under tension? Because that's exactly what happens when you stop training isometric strength. Isometric holds are when your muscles are working without moving. No reps, no bouncing, no momentum, just controlled tension. And this kind of strength is the foundation of everything you do in real life. Standing, carrying, reaching, balancing, even protecting your joints. When you were younger, you got isometric strength naturally from sports, rough movement, awkward positions, and everyday physical stress. But now, most workouts focus only on movement, lifting and lowering, and that leaves a massive gap in your strength as you age. Here's the uncomfortable truth most fitness channels won't tell you. After 50, your nervous system changes faster than your muscles. You don't lose muscle first, you lose control. You lose stability. You lose the ability to recruit strength when you need it most. That's why so many men say, I still have muscles, but I don't feel strong anymore. Isometric holds rebuild that connection. They teach your body to stay strong instead of collapsing under pressure. Let's talk about the first isometric hold that almost every man skips, and it might surprise you because it looks so simple that people ignore it. It's the wall sit hold. Now before you roll your eyes and think, that's too easy, let me stop you right there. The wall sit isn't about burning your legs for pain. It's about retraining your thighs, knees, hips, and core to support your body weight without movement. This is exactly what you need for standing up, sitting down, climbing stairs, and protecting your knees. When you hold a wall sit correctly, your thighs wake up in a way squats alone cannot do after 50. Your knees learn stability instead of shock absorption. Your core learns to brace naturally. And most importantly, your brain relearns how to trust your legs again. That feeling of unsteadiness? This directly attacks it. Even 20 to 40 seconds done properly can change how your legs feel within weeks. And yet most men skip it because it doesn't look impressive. Big mistake. The second isometric hold is one that silently protects your back, your posture, and your breathing, and almost no one over 50 is doing it consistently. It's the plank hold, but not the way most people butcher it. This isn't about holding as long as possible while sagging or shaking. This is about controlled tension through your core, glutes, shoulders, and spine. After 50, your core isn't just about abs. It's about protecting your lower back, your balance, and even your digestion and breathing. Here's something fascinating. Studies show that core stability is one of the strongest predictors of fall risk in older adults, not leg strength alone. When your core can hold tension, your body moves as one unit. When it can't, everything feels disconnected. A properly done plank retrains that unity. It teaches your body to resist collapse. And resistance is what aging steals if you don't train it. Men avoid planks because they think they're boring or uncomfortable. But discomfort is not damage. Controlled discomfort is adaptation. And the men who commit to short, clean plank holds often say something interesting after a few weeks. They say their back feels safer. Their posture feels taller. Their breathing feels deeper. That's not a coincidence. That's isometric strength doing its job. Now the third isometric hold might be the most ignored, and in my opinion, the most important for men over 50 who want to stay independent. It's the single leg balance hold with tension. Not just standing on one foot casually, but actively gripping the ground with your foot, tightening your thigh, engaging your hip, and staying tall. This trains your ankle stability, your hip control, and your nervous system's ability to react. Most falls don't happen because people are weak. They happen because the body doesn't react fast enough when balance is challenged. Isometric balance holds sharpen that reaction. They teach your body to stay calm and controlled instead of panicking. And here's the key part: balance is a skill, not a talent. If you don't train it, you lose it. And once it's gone, everything else becomes harder. Men often say, "I walk every day, so my balance is fine." Walking is great, but it's predictable. Balance training challenges unpredictability. It prepares you for real life. A misstep, an uneven surface, a sudden turn. This one hold, done daily, can change how confident you feel moving through the world. Now let me be very clear about something important. These holds are not about ego. They are not about suffering. They are about sending the right signal to your body. The signal that says, we still need strength. We still need control. We still need resilience. And your body listens to signals, not age. You don't need to hold these for minutes. You don't need to sweat like crazy. You need consistency. You need intention. 30 seconds done with focus is better than 3 minutes done sloppy. And if you're thinking, is this really enough? Understand this: your joints crave stability more than intensity after 50. And isometric holds deliver stability without wear and tear. I've seen men in their late 50s, 60s, even 70s regain confidence they thought was gone forever simply by adding these holds into their routine. Not replacing everything, just adding. And the reason it works is because it fills the gap that most workouts ignore. So if you've been lifting weights but still feel unstable, this is why. If you've been walking daily but still feel stiff, this is why. If you've stopped exercising because movement hurts, this might actually be the safest place to restart. Your body doesn't need more punishment. It needs smarter tension. And isometric holds are exactly that. Now imagine 6 weeks from now. Standing up without thinking about it. Climbing stairs without hesitation. Feeling solid instead of fragile. That future isn't built with flashy exercises. It's built with simple, overlooked habits done consistently. And before I let you go, I want you to understand something deeply. Aging doesn't take strength away overnight. It takes it quietly when you stop challenging your body in the ways it actually needs. Don't be part of the 99% who skip these holds and wonder why everything feels harder each year. Be the man who trains smarter, not harder.